We got Goodman. There's a heat pump, I think. Has been running in cool mode. 2004 5-ton. Got carryover UCC. There's a heat pump also. Coupled with reciprocating compressor. Has been running. It's a 2-ton from 2002, I think. We'll use that. Then we got 2 Goodmans. One of them's running. I'm gonna start with this one. '14 That's frozen. It's been running. Let's see. 2020, 2.5 ton. Use the other one. This one's a heat pump. I think this one is too. Looks like it's been running heat mode. This one's the same. 2020, 2.5 ton.